How to find feedback notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find feedback notifications settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Now just click on it and then click here notifications, and then scroll down until you find this one, my feedback. And if you want to disable it or enable it, just you can do it by one click, and that's it. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.